Hello, my name is Kayla Amalia. You can call me Kayla. I'm from Health and Analysis. I will show you how to make coffee. 2 and ingredients: 1 coffee, 2 glass and spoon, 3 sugar, 4 hot water. 1. Cut packaging coffee. 2. Pour coffee in a glass. 3. Add sugar. And 4. Add hot water. And 5. Stir until well blended.